Hi and welcome back to Bride Society. Today we're showing you how to make paper heart decorations that you can hang from wherever you like around your venue and make them in various sizes depending what the look is you're going for, or different coloured cards. So we're going to show you how to make these today. If you want to see more of our DIY ideas and inspiration, don't forget to hit subscribe and press the little bell so you never miss anything. And yeah, we hope you like them. We need two 8-inch strips, two 10-inch strips and two 12-inch strips from your card of whatever colour and choice. So we're going to measure those out, about 1 inch across on each one, and obviously draw your lines, cut with scissors or guillotine depending what you've got access to, with your scissors in my case. And we'll fast forward to, you now have your 12-inch, 10-inch and 8-inch strips. You need two of each in each length. And you need your strip of ribbon. So the length will depend on what you want to hang this from. Okay, so you need to take your longest strips first, okay, and place those together. Okay, and what I would also do is, at this point, place your ribbon in the centre of there, so you've got all three pinched together at this point. Okay, so I'll just try and straighten those up a touch. And then you move to your 10-inch in my case, on the outside, and the other outside. And then finally your 8-inch pieces, again on the outsides. Okay, and so make sure they're all nice and level at the bottom. Take your stapler and try and secure those at the bottom, like so. Okay, right, next you need to fold them round. So we're going to take it from the outside, smallest one first, loop and hold. Again, the other side, so your shortest ones, you loop and just pinch it at the bottom, just keep hold of it. Again, so now just working inward, coming across like so, and again. So you can use more strips if you want, or less, depending how many of the loops you would like to create. Okay, so you see you've got all of them there, and leave the string up so that you can hang that. So you keep that pinched, take your stapler and secure it at the bottom. Okay, you may want to do one on each side just in case it's quite thick. And there you have it.